Hi everybody, this is Professor Ponce. I'm going to talk to you today about love, about the African American critic Bell Hooks, about her book All About Love, New Visions, and we're also going to talk about music. So everybody, can you guess who the musicians are? And do you believe that music is a good way to express feelings, and in particular love? Are lyrics appropriate to convey love? Or do you think books are better? And if yes, why? So I want you to think about all these questions, take some time to write down your thoughts, and post everything in the discussion section on Blackboard. So this semester we're going to read and discuss All About Love, New Visions by Bell Hooks. And one question I want to ask you to start with is, do you think that love is innate, or does one have to learn to love? So here I chose this image of two Stone Age people, and the male Stone Age person is giving a flower to his female counterpart. And this is a cartoon from the New Yorker, and it's two lovebirds, and one is telling the other, of course I am programmed to love you. Of course I love you. I'm programmed to love you because I'm a goddamn lovebird. So this podcast is going to talk about love and different perspectives when it comes to defining love. And as I said earlier, I'm going to introduce you to Bell Hooks, the African American critic, and her book All About Love, New Visions. I want to mention chapter 9 because that chapter in the book is interesting for specific examples of real love that Hooks gives us. And I want you to think about these examples in particular, and we're going to start this discussion about love and the way Bell Hooks writes about love by listening to an interview she did in 2002 on the show Speaking Freely. So this is the interview. You're going to have to click on it.
You know, there are things that we have to say that will be wounding. Like, for example, in my latest book that I'm talking to you about Black people and self-esteem, there are things that I have to say.
So you're going to have to watch the entire interview on your own, and this will be an introduction to the work of Bell Hooks. And after you've done watching the interview, I want you to write your thoughts on it. Tell me what you learned about Hooks and about America and about love in America. And you're going to post these thoughts in the discussion section on Blackboard. And I also want you to pay attention to the rubric I created for this assignment. And I also want you to start reading the book itself. Thank you, and see you soon, everybody.